Introduce highlight features or overview summary for HUPEJOS V7, 360 degrees 2K dash cam, 4-channel camera FHD 1080p, 4 front, left, right, and waterproof rear with Wi-Fi, 1440p Front+Inside 1080p. 2 dash camera for car, night vision, free 64 gigabit card, 24 hours parking mode. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The resolution of HUPEJOS 4-channel dash cam can reach 4x 1080p when recording, and can be displayed on the dash cam at the same time. If you don't use the waterproof rear camera, the resolution can reach front 2K plus left 1080p plus right 1080p. 4x150 wide-angle lenses provide more comprehensive safety protection for your car. All 4 channels can be rotated and adjusted for other recording angles. HUPEJOS dash cam with a waterproof rear camera. You don't worry about rain, you can choose to install it inside or outside the car. We recommended to install it outside the car to get a better vision. The extension line of the rear camera has a reversing signal line, red line, which is connected to the car's reversing device. When the car is in reverse gear, the machine will automatically switch to the rear camera's reversing full screen image. Use the TS-Cam app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. Excellent dash cam built-in microphone. Connect via Wi-Fi and download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. This car dash cam with 8 IR lamps, an f1.86 glass lens front-facing cam, and a unique HDR video system automatically balances the light and dark areas of the video. 8 IR LED lights facing the car cabin, which can accurately capture the driver and passengers even when the cabin is completely dark, perfect for ride-share drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi, which can handle low light conditions and ensure flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. HUPEJOS V7 dash cam is a 3-channel all-in-one recorder, which supports adding a rear camera to form a 4-channel dash cam. 4 cameras are used simultaneously to form a 360 degrees. With a new 3.16-inch IPS screen display, sharpness is improved, brightness is improved, and the picture quality is completely rid of the sense of granularity. The dash cam is tiny, smaller than a cell phone, and perfect for hiding in a car without blocking the driver's view. In the car off state, the front 3 to about 4 meters range to monitor the object close to the car dash cam automatically record video 1 minute. And a minute later will automatically stop recording and shut down. Recording 1 minute after. If the object continues to detect the movement has been recording until the object left, the machine will automatically stop recording and shut down. Need to connect to hardwire kit. Compared with the traditional H.264 video encoding, H.265 video encoding can make the video clearer and smoother, and take up less memory. Greatly reduces the frequent deletion of videos or format of the SD card manually due to insufficient memory. And the important that when the machine suddenly power off, will automatically save the last file, a unique file protection system. The package comes with an industrial-grade 64 gigabit memory card to read/write the footage faster when recording, which can solve most of the customer feedback of card error. Cannot format SD card and more. Tips: please make sure to use the SD card we provided, because this SD card is specially adapted to fit this 4CH dash cam. If you have an issue with the SD card, please reach out to us. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.